If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Fortnite, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to help reduce lag and enhance your performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, and run a speed test to confirm your download and upload speeds meet the game's requirements. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Adjust your in-game settings for better performance. Lower the graphics settings, disable VSync, and reduce the resolution to help the game run more smoothly on your system. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Fortnite, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and bandwidth, allowing the game to perform better. Step 4. Update drivers and software. Make sure your graphics card drivers and the Fortnite game itself are up to date. Regular updates can fix bugs and improve performance, reducing the chances of lag spikes. Step 5. Adjust network settings. Consider changing your network settings to prioritize gaming traffic. Enable quality of service QoS on your router, and if possible, set your gaming device to have a static IP address for better connection stability. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Fortnite gameplay and a reduction in lag spikes. Enjoy your gaming.